Mhm. Williams, Philippines. Yeah, it's still tilted. It's okay. I'm tilted. Uh, it is Saturday, January 10th at about 5:05 p.m. Long day, great day. I got rained on and pretty much everything was wet. Now, it isn't stuck on there by any kind of glue or anything. It was in my pants, cargo pants, shorts, lower pocket. It got wet. I'm not touching the money. It's all stuck together. Yeah. It's been a great day, even though I got rain soaked, waterlogged. I got out of my socks and took 5 steps and was still leaving wet footprints. Ugh, good day though. Had to climb off into the shower to warm up. Because I was cold. Let's see. One shirt this morning, one shirt when I went back out again, second one while I was out. My third and fourth shirt got soaked wet. I got back here, they're hanging and drying, trying to at least. And the one I bought, which hasn't been washed, probably should because, well, they don't exactly have, uh, yeah, chemical. They probably got chemicals on them because, well, all this stuff and tie dye on top of it. I don't know what they use for tie dye, what kind of dyes or such. I'm going to get out of it as soon as I get done with this and throw it in the laundry to get it washed. But I got me another Cinelog shirt. So, yay. This one costs more. It's actually, instead of just large, it's a 2X. So this one fits and has elbow room in it. See? Yeah. The other one was so tight I barely could move in it. But that's okay. I chose to go ahead and get it. I should have checked both of them to make sure that they were both the same size, but thesis occurreth, as a friend of mine named Winter says. Yes, Winter, you can comment on that if you want to. Crap happens. Oh, it has been a wonderful day. Uh, I've got dinner sitting over there. I'm hoping I got enough energy to get up and eat it. But I have had breakfast, lunch, and 2 snacks today because I've been out running. I saw like 5 different well, 3 apartments and 2 hotels that are, yeah, they don't want to give a, one of them I thought was an actual apartment because it was listed on Google as an apartment. It's a hotel. Nice hotel. They're wanting way too much to spend the night there for a monthly rate for at a month at a time. Ain't rich, ain't going there. Uh, Found a 2 bedroom that would be 20,000. Nice for a nice house. Fully pretty much fully furnished. Uh, and yeah, but it's going up in price. But it is a 2 bedroom. Uh, makes me makes me think about it. But that would be 20,000 plus electric. So yeah. But they also have a little 1 bedroom that's basically like this, but a little bit bigger, and it's only 6,000. So I've got an option. Uh, excuse me, I'm repositioning for comfort's sake. Actually, my feet are hurting. I've been on them a long time today, pounding them. You ever wonder why they call cops flatfoots? Yeah, because they're walking around as they used to when they did their beat. They were walking the beat, and they'd end up with flat feet. Their arches would fall. Yeah. So my feet are tired. I am tired all over. My feet are extra so. Uh, boy. But I did see a few places. Uh, two of them were none available. I got a glance at something they were going to have available next month. Uh, I've got a number on that one. I got a couple numbers. My biggest problem is going to be separating the paper after I have it. It needs to dry enough that it don't. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I hope it didn't get soggy and the ink run. If it did, I at least remember where the one I want the information on. Uh, like I got a couple others. Oh, and yeah, one of my friends pointed me in to the one that was the hotel that we thought was an apartment. And there's still more places over there I got to look. There was one I'm supposed to go back on Monday. The office staff wasn't in. Well, they were in for a half day that ended at like 9:30, 10 o'clock. Yeah. I don't know what time their day started, but I'm not used to the idea of a half day ending at 9:30, 10. I don't know. Uh, but if that's a half day, how long's a full day? uh, anyway, I did get some gas to fill back up. Uh, I didn't get an exact reading before I did all this, but for the last 2 days, uh, 234 pesos. So, yeah, so almost 4 liters. Well, no, 4.034, a little over 4 liters. Uh, so, yeah, I was getting pretty low on gas after 2 days of running. Yeah. Uh, today, I pretty much put 100 kilometers on it, so 60 miles. Uh, I don't know what yesterday's was, but I know I looked at it when I left out of here the second time. So, yay, I've done 100 kilometers today plus. I'm going to write all that down in the morning before I leave out because I filled it up across the street and rode over here. So, at most a kilometer. Yeah, about a kilometer to get here. So, yay. It's a long day. Ready for it to be done. So, I hope y'all have had a blessed day. Uh, thank you for the comments. And yeah, I'm in Mandawi, Cebu City. Well, Mandawi City, part of Cebu City Metroplex, Cebu Island, Visayas, middle of the Philippines, and I'm loving it. Uh, I highly recommend. And as I told one of my friends from over in Amarillo, you probably should come here for Christmas. You'll probably never leave. Uh, the elderly lady across the way that I always used to talk with, one of my neighbors that was worth talking with. Uh, Actually, there were a couple of them there, but the one was made her look young, and she was very frail. So she didn't get out as much. So I didn't get to talk to her as much. Uh, but yeah. Anyway, blessings to all. And I hope you've had a blessed day. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. I've had an abundance of all of that. And again, more food. And I've had plenty of that today. Problem is, I'm still feeling hungry because I burned that much off. Anyway, I hope you have a blessed day. Like, comment, subscribe. You do you. You know who you are. Do it. I'm Fish. Hey, later blessings. Bye bye. Fish is out.